Yo YouTube. So this tutorial today, as you can tell by the title, is going to be showing you how to get Skate for free. This is available on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, and basically guys, this is going to get you the full copy of the brand new Skate game. Pretty expensive, I imagine. I think it's going to be around $80 or more. It doesn't tell you. It brings up all the original skates, but yeah, basically guys, this is a brand new release from the Skate franchise, and I'm going to be showing you how to get it for free using a working digital game code, and this will work on all platforms. So let's get into the video guys and show you how to get Skate for free. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile. It's very important you do this on your mobile. It makes the process a lot easier, trust me guys. And you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So if you type it correctly and do this on your mobile phone, you just got to make sure you type it like this. It's going to bring you to this website now. They have loads of pages for game codes. They have codes for pretty much anything you can imagine. So you can scroll through and see what else they have. But in this video, of course, I'm searching for Skate. And here we go. They have Tony Hawk's as well, but we're interested in this one, Skate, free digital game code. Now, this can be confused with the old one, but this is the brand new release from the Skate franchise. I know they reused the name. I guess they're trying to harp back to their glory days. But essentially, guys, you need to click on Show Full Code. And like I said, this is a simple digital game code that it's going to give you, and you can redeem it. So if you play on PlayStation, as an example, you enter it into the PSN store, and it's going to get you the full copy of the Skate game. So I've already done this, and as you can see guys, there's 978 codes remaining at the time of recording. So basically you need to unlock your personal game code, and this stops people from stealing all of the codes and making a profit from it. You can only do this once, and I've already done it. But what you're going to want to do is click on Get Full Code. So you can see there's a button there. You got to press on that, and it's going to take you to the next screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your game code. It's going to take you a few minutes. I personally had to complete a couple of free tasks. I just installed a couple of mobile apps, and it was pretty easy. I just made sure I followed the instructions. It took me about 5 minutes, and once I did that, it revealed my full code. So it took one of the codes for me, and I redeemed it, and that is how to get Skate for free. I know this is a pretty quick tutorial. I just wanted to upload this one for you guys and get this out there on YouTube. So just head on over to Cold Coupons, and then when you reach this page, guys, just do search for the Skate free digital game code. And yeah, that is how to get Skate. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the game. I think it's pretty awesome. It reminds me of the early 2000s skating games, which is absolutely awesome. It's a bit of nostalgia. But anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.